Are you ready for Winchell Mahoney time? Okay then, let's sing our theme song. Hooray, hurrah, it's Winchell Mahoney time in Winchell.
Welcome to another edition of Chit Chat with Jerry Mahoney. How's it going, Jerry?
Good, Duane. Thanks for asking. Doing real well. That was Duane Echols. Yeah, Duane Echols, professional ventriloquist. He's now retired. Duane grew up in Las Vegas and is the former owner and performer at Southwest Entertainment. He performed in Las Vegas and is now retired and lives in Phoenix. So it was great to have him introduce our episode today. Yeah, great stuff. I wanted to share a little tidbit, a little story about Duane, something interesting. He actually had the honor of attending the very last performance of Edgar Bergen in September of 1978 at Caesar's Palace. Yeah. And in the morning he was shocked. He and his friends, he was there with three of his ventriloquist friends, and they were shocked to find out that Edgar Bergen had passed away after the performance. So Duane was lucky to be able to see him in his final performance. Yeah, Edgar Bergen, a good ventriloquist. Doesn't he, who's his figure? You know who it is. Oh yeah, Charlie McCarthy. Just kidding. Anyway, what's doing a Chit Chat today? Well, today on Chit Chat, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a figure. We have a new lad joining the family. No way. Yep. Now, I want to tell you that the sound didn't work when I recorded the unboxing, so I'm going to do a voiceover, and you'll hear me kind of describing what I'm doing. So we're going to wait and find out who our new lad is. Can't wait. Who is he? Who is he? You're going to have to wait. You're going to have to watch. All right, let's do it. Roll the tape. I'm describing here the excitement that ventriloquists and collectors feel when they receive in the mail a box. They know that a figure has been coming en route, and here it is. The box arrives. So we're going to open up the box and find out who is joining the family. Packaging looks pretty good, safe and secure inside. Now you can see that this is a smaller figure than usual, so this is not a professional figure, it's a toy figure. And can we tell who it is by the shoes there, by the feet, and by the pants? Maybe by the pants. If you're an aficionado and you're a collector, perhaps you've seen these before. This is just one of the outfit options that this particular toy comes with. Let's pull this apart and see who it is. All right, can you guess? Might be familiar. Let's take off the padding around his face and see. Yeah, it's Lester, Willie Tyler's figure, Lester. Of course, no collection is complete without a Lester. And here is Lester. He is a wonderful little toy figure. So designed mostly for young ventriloquists, children, but certainly a lot of grown-up ventriloquists have in their collection these smaller figures. So Lester is, as I mentioned, Willie Tyler's figure. Willie Tyler, of course, has been a ventriloquist for decades. I read that he got his start on Rowan and Martin's Laugh-In, and he was also in a McDonald's commercial that put him in front of tens of thousands of people. So I had a chance recently to go down to Hollywood with my wife and another couple, Steve and Jan Sherman, and we went to the Magic Castle, which is there in Hollywood. A lot of you know about the Magic Castle. This is a home, an old home that's been converted into a place where you can have dinner, a beautiful dinner, and see magic shows. And Willie Tyler was performing there over this past summer, and I got a chance to go see him and meet him. You cannot take pictures inside the Magic Castle, so I never got a selfie with him. But anyway, that inspired me to finally go ahead. I've always been thinking about buying a Lester figure, and I saw one on eBay and I thought, this is my chance. So here he is, Lester. He's going to be one of the lads now. And that's it for today. That's it for Chit Chat. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. All right, take care, and we'll see you next time.
Hooray, hurrah, it's Winchell Mahoney time, and Winchell Mahoney time is time for fun.